How's it going, everybody? It's your host, Mr. Carson, Clean with Carson. Welcome back. Today, we got 2 jobs on the book, and the theme of today is going to be meta ads. I've been blasting meta ads pretty hard. I've been running 2. I had a pretty decent budget, pretty cheap budget, to tell you the truth, but I've been getting so many leads from it, and it's just been insane. So we got 2 jobs today, and they're both from meta ads, and they're both house washing. I couldn't get any upsell, unfortunately. I tried to upsell the front, but he didn't want it, so it is what it is. But yeah, we got a lot of tips to drop. We got a lot of stuff to clean today. It's raining right now, but you know, makes our job a little bit easier. But yeah, I was very wrong about meta ads. I've been very harsh on them, mainly because I didn't understand them, and I tried to run them, and I just ended up losing a bunch of money. But this year, I took the time to figure it out, and wow. So I can't say enough good things about them. But I mean, look at this fence right here. I couldn't get him on the upsell of the fence. I mean, look at it. I'm confident I can make that thing look amazing. Even this driveway, I couldn't get him on the driveway. He just didn't care. He didn't want it. I mean, look how bad this driveway is. That's how it is sometimes, guys. House washing is just so... People love house washing. They love it. Driveway, sometimes, like, I can upsell it sometimes, but if people don't want it, I can only do so much if they don't want it, but dang. Yep, we found the bad side. It's really not that bad at all. It's really just that side and the front side, that back deck and the front stairs right there. That's really it. But yeah, let's go ahead and probably get you guys on a tripod shot here. Not too bad, but I know this will clean up extremely nice. Let's check the oxidation. Yeah, it's about normal. All right, let's get set up. See, but it just goes of what I was saying. You see that? 1 new lead 5 minutes ago. I mean, like, you can't make this stuff up. I think I've gotten almost 9 or 10 leads in about 2 days, maybe 3 days. I am running 2 ads, so that's one thing, but look at that. So you best believe I'm calling after this. Just something about house washing, like concrete washing is super satisfying. And don't get me wrong, when it comes to watching content, I think driveway washing is the best. Like, who doesn't love a good driveway transformation and the process of doing it? But actually physically doing the service, house washing is just so nice, especially when it's rainy. I talk about this in all my videos. It's super rainy and it's saturated everywhere, and I'm using a 2.3 injector, so bleach isn't the biggest deal in the world when it comes to staining grass and plants and everything. But like I was talking about though, I'll stay tuned a little bit, guys. I'll show you a little bit more information about those meta ads that I'm running, because they are just on top of all the print marketing and posting that I'm doing. Wow, I've never been this busy in summer ever in my entire life. I'm almost more busy now than I was in the summer, or I was in the spring, so it's kind of ridiculous. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and let's go ahead and rinse this off. Sometimes for these gaskets right here on these garages, you do need a little bit of a hotter mix. Sometimes a house mix isn't strong enough to clean those gaskets. So that's why, like I said in my last video, guys, take it like a 3%, 2.5%, blast those gaskets, and I guarantee you those are gonna look perfect. In just a second, we got some more rinsing to do though. Before I could even finish, we got another lead right there. That called me when I was talking to the homeowner. Telling you guys, absolute game changer. First job is a wrap. I talked to the homeowner for a bit. People love just talking to me. I think he's, I don't know, maybe he's a little lonely, but I have no problem spending 5 to 10 minutes talking to my clients, people who pay me money, people who go out of their way to talk to me. So always appreciate that. But yeah, just got done with about 4 calls. I gotta do 1 more. I'm gonna wait till I get on a highway to do it. But yeah, we just landed a job for next week, and we landed a ginormous quote. I'm not gonna leave. I might even throw a picture of all the concrete that woman wants cleaned. My goodness, I couldn't Google Earth quote that. I couldn't do it because it was just so massive. And I was like, you know what? We're just gonna go. We're find some time to look at it tomorrow. It's not too far away. That's what we're gonna do. And gosh, meta ads that I ran a still picture ad, and then I started running a video ad. And they're both, like, initially my plan was going to be to stop the picture, because I didn't think the picture was as good as the video, but the picture's still printing ads, or still printing leads. So I was like, I guess I'm just not going to turn it off, because I thought the video would get more leads, and the video is getting leads, like, don't get me wrong, but the picture's still pumping leads, and I was like, okay, well, I guess I'll just rock and roll with this. So, but yeah, I'm making a full tutorial coming really soon on the pressure washing masterclass, because you guys don't have to pay people thousands and thousands of dollars to run ads. You can run ads yourself. You just have to figure out how to do it. It's kind of complicated. Like I said, last year I tried to run it and I lost like $700 to $800 and got hacked. It was terrible. It's a horrible experience. That's why you guys heard me say that I don't really like ads, but I've completely 180 now that I actually understand how they work and how freaking amazing they are. So if you're looking for that and a huge curriculum for pressure washing and starting a business, definitely check that out. You can get a free trial, get one-on-ones with me. I'm confident that I can help you guys succeed in that. But yeah, anyways, we gotta go to a second job. I got more tips to do, and I didn't do a lot of filming in that first job. I tried to, but it's just how it went. This one I'm gonna do a lot more filming, and I got a lot more tips to tell you guys. But yeah, got about a 40-minute drive. I gotta do a call, and good to go after that. Coming out fantastic. Tons of windows, and I severely underquoted this, but it's all right. Actually, I didn't underquote it too much, but I'd probably did like maybe $50 underquoted, but it is what it is. Not too bad. But as you guys saw, this cleaned up very nicely. I was able to hit the top up there, no problem, with a small A-frame ladder. It was sitting right here, and then I did this half side because there's no gate here. So when I loop around, I'll just do that final side right here. There's really nothing on it at all, to tell you the truth, but this is a shaded side. So just because there's nothing on the walls, like, or the siding, I always explain to your clients that a full house wash procedure is what you offer, because you never know when the algae might come up. It could come up tomorrow, it could come up in a week, it could come up in a day. So always, when they ever ask you, it's like, hey, can you just do one side? It's like, yeah, you can do that. And they really just want you to do that because they want a good price. But always explain to them that it's definitely worth it to do the entire house, because you're just trying to provide a value, so you never know when the siding will arise of algae, so you're just resetting that process. You can always tell them, like, hey, I went ahead and treated this side just like I normally would. This is a shaded side. There's probably algae growing on here. We just can't see it yet, so I just wanted to make sure that I kill all the invisible algae we don't see right now. You don't have to say the word invisible, but small algae we can't see right now, but it will flourish into that green mold mildew, the stain that you're normally looking at. So can't really film too much on the front side because my machine is loud, but I am working on getting a mic, a DJI mic for this, so you guys can hear me a lot better. But yeah, going really good. Again, meta ads, crushing. So like I said, at the end of the video, I'll explain to you what I'm doing, my process going forward using ads, because I think so far I've been doing it for like 3 days, and it's been like actually game changing, like seriously. So let's keep going. Oh my gosh, I just walked into a web. Oh. Guys, forgot to film an outro, but I went ahead and went to this quote. I couldn't really see it from Google Maps, but when I say this is the largest residential quote that I've ever done, nothing even comes close to it. Check this out. So she wants a quote for this driveway, which is extremely bad. Like, it's bad. All the way up here, there's a huge concrete here, and it just keeps going all the way down. I'll try to film as much as I can. I'll try to be a little, I don't want to show everything, because this house is probably like, I'm not kidding, probably like close to $10 million easily. So I want to try to be as respectful as I possibly can. But all this from a meta ad that cost me probably like $5 per lead or whatever, $6 per lead, I don't know. All of this right here, all the way up, keeps going. It just keeps going. This job is so big, I actually would probably call for backup. All right here, all right here. There's my truck, my beautiful truck. That's why you always gotta get your truck wrapped. She saw it. All the way down here. This circle driveway right here. I don't know why my camera's kind of fuzzy. This circle, look at the house. I mean, goodness gracious. Oh, this circle driveway right here. Looks like drainage won't be an issue either. It can get all go flow down here. And then she said she'd want me to get a price to stop right here where these plants are at, probably where this line's at here. And then she also wants a price. See that driveway? It's literally like a quarter of a mile probably. So you hear me talking about pre-treating a lot. It's not something I do very often. I don't pre-treat concrete just because I don't need to. But for this type of concrete, I mean, look how this looks like almost asphalt. It is some of the dirtiest concrete I've ever seen. This, look at this. This would absolutely need to be pre-treated. It's so bad with like a 3% and then post-treated with a 3%. that severe. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Alrighty guys, quote's all done. Let's just say it was double my biggest quote I've ever done already, so that's fun. And but yeah, I wanted to talk about basically setting up meta ads. I don't let anyone tell you that you have to have videos. Obviously videos perform very well, but I have a picture of just me working. I have two pictures of me working actually, but you could just do one and like an arrow pointing at it and saying like, hello neighbors, this is Carson, blah, blah, blah. I've had some jobs rescheduled, which has happened. I actually have had jobs rescheduled. Looking to give, you know, discounts to the first 20 people that call, or looking to give discounts to people who contact me and fill out a form or whatever. You can do forms or messages. Personally, I like forms more because the conversion rate's higher. Messages, you're gonna get more people, but the conversion rate's gonna be a lot lower. You're gonna get people who just don't care. People who fill out forms, they fill out all their information, their number, their address. You can go ahead and look at it before you call them. It's awesome. So just, if you want to, don't think of meta ads as like some sort of thing you have to wait for. Just full send it. Just full send it. You don't have to pay a lot and you can get really good results. Also, don't pay, I mean, I can't tell you guys how to run a business. I can't do it. Maybe you bigger guys who are pulling millions of dollars a year, you pay guys to do your ads. I get that. But for us solo guys and us guys who, you know, are by ourselves, maybe have one tech or a couple, maybe two trucks or a couple technicians, you guys can run ads straight up by yourself on a really nice budget. You can pay no more than like $400 a week or even less and get solid leads, high quality leads, high ticket leads, and it's just been fantastic. So I've been 100% wrong with meta ads. I highly encourage you to run ads. You can just don't AI it for whatever reason. Do not make an AI picture. That is not going to perform well. If you want to do a before and after, that will work. Concrete works better than houses, but for me, I think just having a couple pictures of yourself working, whether it be long form or short form, you know, vertical, horizontal, just have a couple pictures of yourself working, and then like just say like, just be very genuine and be very local. Hey, hello neighbors, I service this county. Make sure you always say what's county or cities you service, because that just brings home the local factor. But yeah, just do a video of that. And if you don't want to do a video, you can just do a still picture of you working. And if you want, if you do want to go up the ante, do a video of you talking. Just be very genuine. Be behind your truck and your equipment, or have your company logo. Throw up some videos of you working, and then just straight up tell them, "Hey, I'm Carson. You know, I do this in this area, and I would love to come out here making stuff. Doing this makes me very happy. Nothing satisfies me more than a clean home. Clean home just feels better. You know, just rock and roll and full send that, and then you're gonna get lead forms from it. Anyways, that's a quick crash course on meta ads. Scared to spend a couple bucks. I promise you, it's worth it. And you guys should join the Pressure Washer Masterclass. My newest edition is adding an entire curriculum for meta ads, so you guys can understand exactly how to run ads. And I literally just show you and walk you through exactly how to set them up and optimize them to just maximize the amount of leads and messages that you guys get. So if that's something you guys are looking for, you can get a free trial down in the first link in the description. 7-day free trial. Try it out. Make sure you like it before you even end up paying. And I do one-on-ones, and I teach you how to pressure wash and run a business. It's fun stuff, guys. People are having fun. I got about 26 guys in there right now, and we're all cruising along. We're all winning. We're all doing calls every week, sometimes multiple times a week, and it's been great. So if that's something you guys are looking for, you guys should definitely check that out. First link in the description and the first link in the comment. And yeah, I'm confident I can help you guys out. But if not, I got a ton of tutorials on this channel. Keep watching around. You'll find something. You'll definitely learn something here. So it's been Carson, guys. I'm out.